Hi Gemini, welcome to your reading. So this is love reading for the collective of Gemini, and it will be dated from 21st of July till 31st of July. So today we are going to see how the energy of your person or the person of your interest is, and then we are going to see how you are feeling towards your person, and also we will try to find out the outcome of this situation. Okay Gemini, so let us get started. I'm going to pick out the cards for your person's feeling towards you, how your person is feeling towards you. The first card is the Five of Pentacles. The second card is the card of Temperance. And the third card is the card of Seven of Wands. Okay, let us see. So Gemini, your person feels towards you like this Five of Pentacles energy, and this card exhibits, you know, the energy of feeling left out in the cold. Probably your person is looking at you, your person, you know, likes you, thinks about you and wants to approach you, but because of the kind of dynamic that you two share, you know, he doesn't feel courageous enough to come and talk to you. Okay, and because of that reason, because he is looking at you, he is liking you, yet he is unable to come and talk to you, and also his inability in coming and expressing his feelings and emotions to you must also be because of you know, because of the lack of friendliness that you two have. Okay, probably you are not as friendly as he would want you to be in this situationship, and that is why your person is feeling, you know, left out in the cold. He feels like you are cold towards him. By that I mean to say that, you know, the relationship dynamic that you both share is not very warm, is what he feels. Okay, the next card that we had was the card of Temperance. Temperance means somebody who's calm, who is composed, who would like to, you know, see things over, who would like to analyze, rethink. So your person is, you know, embodying this energy of temperance when it comes to his dealing with you. Okay, he doesn't want to rush, although he feels like he is being left out in the cold. He doesn't want to, you know, come and what to say, he doesn't want to interfere too much where he is not invited, and he would like to rather, you know, recuperate for a while and practice calmness, and he would like to be patient, and when the time is favorable he would like to approach you. But this person is definitely thinking of approaching you, because though he's feeling left out in the cold, he doesn't want to give up on you. You know, he wants to be patient with you. That is what this Temperance card means. Also, we have in your person's energy Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands is the card of perseverance, is the card of determination. Okay, so your person, you know, absolutely likes you because of the, you know, cards that have come in sequence like this. Your person, he or she really want this relationship with you. They are totally determined to be with you someday. They are hoping and praying for it, and they are not going to fall short when it comes to you know, the investment in it. And the person over here, you know, is holding the wand, and he is like, no matter what, I'm definitely going to, you know, achieve success in this situationship. I'm not going to give up so easily. I'm totally determined and I'm going to work it through. That is, you know, what this card is telling about your person. So now how you are feeling towards your person. Page of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. Okay, this is an interesting combination. So how you are feeling towards your person. The first card says Page of Pentacles. Now see, you feel like your person can be abundant, but Page is somebody who is immature. Okay, whose maturity is not up to the level as much as you expect out of him. So probably that is why you are not opening up to this person, because, you know, we want to be in relationship with someone who is mature enough to understand the situation, who is able to take care of us, who is able to take care of themselves as well. So sometimes pages are young. They are maybe you are dealing with somebody who is younger than you. Okay, maybe there is significant age gap, or maybe little bit younger, but I feel like definitely younger. Or this person might be age wise mature than you, but maturity wise, you look at this person, you view this person like this page. Page of Pentacles definitely has love to offer, but they are themselves not sure whether they would want it in the long run, and sometimes they are not able to handle relationship in the most efficient manner. Okay, so because you are not being able to see that maturity in your person, you are, I think, holding back your feelings and emotions. You are not trying to approach this person, and probably that is why your person was also feeling left out in the cold. Okay, so you view this person as slightly immature. Okay, and because the person has been on and off in their appearance in this situationship. Okay, in their involvement in this situationship, they sometimes are there sometimes, and sometimes they are completely they completely disappear. Okay, so because of that reason, you are not being able to trust this person. You look at this person like a page, and that is causing a lot of hurt to you. Okay, so 9 of Wands, it represents hurt. You can see that the person is wounded on the head as well. So a heavy burden is being carried out by this person. There are 9 wands which he has to work upon and which he has to carry, and he's totally exhausted and he's hurt as well. So probably because pages are such energies who move towards us, definitely they want to offer love, relationship, but the movement at which they move forward is so slow that we feel very, very tired. The situation becomes very heavy. We have to think and rethink about the situation. Thinking once is not enough. Decision at once is never taken, and that becomes quite endearing, and that is the energy of this person. This card of 9 of Wands, and that is exactly how you're feeling. You're not happy in the situation. You like this person, but you are not happy in the situation. So 9 of Pentacles. So this is the energy that you are having. Okay, Gemini. So 9 of Pentacles is somebody who is self-sufficient, who knows self-worth, who has a lot of self-esteem, and who feels like, okay, I do not need anyone. I definitely want somebody, but I'm not dependent on that person. That is the energy that you are embodying, obviously, because you have been in such situation. You are in such situation where the person you are dealing with is a bit immature, on and off, flighty kind of person, and that has caused in the past a lot of pain and burden to you. You have waited enough, you have done enough, you have invested enough, and now all that you want to do is to take care of yourself. This person, 9 of Pentacles, the person that is in this card is the master of self-care, self-love. Okay, and that is the energy that you are embodying at the moment. You are like, okay, if you want to come someday, fine, otherwise I'm not going to think about you anymore because I'm self-sufficient, and I'm going to be my first love. Okay, that is your energy, and I think it is fantastic. Okay, so what is going to be the outcome in this situation, Sid? 8 of Cups, 6 of Pentacles, and 7 of Pentacles. Okay, so situation is not so easy, yet we can be hopeful. Okay, so because this person has been coming at the speed so slow, you have started feeling like this is going to be a missed opportunity. Okay, it might seem like a missed opportunity. It might seem like a missed opportunity. 8 of Cups means you can see that the person is walking away from all those cups. Although the cups are there, the cups are there definitely, but then this person feels like although the cups are there, they are not offered to me and they are not for me, and hence it is wise for me to walk away from it. And that is the exact energy that you are in, and that is why you are having to be in this energy of Nine of Pentacles. So you are so strong enough now, Gemini, that you can walk away from the situation, and you are viewing it like, okay, if it's a missed opportunity, it's all right, it was not meant to be, and I'm walking away. That is what you're thinking. And Seven of Pentacles means somebody who, you know, has already planted the seeds and is waiting for the harvest. But you, as you can see, you can look at this man, he's looking at his pentacles and he's wondering, like, you know, I had put in so much of hard work, but did I get the enough amount of, you know, harvest? The person is not satisfied. This is the card of dissatisfaction. Seven of Pentacles is the card of dissatisfaction. So clearly your person is flighty, is on and off, is immature like a page, and you want this person to grow up. You really like this person. You want this person to be matured enough, to be strong and confident enough to walk up to you and, you know, express their commitment of love. But that is not happening, and that is why, you know, because you have invested so much in this situationship, that you are now feeling totally dissatisfied. Okay, but in the outcome, one positive card that has come over here is the one of Six of Pentacles, which means that one day all the labor, all the hard work that you have done is going to pay off, and you will be able to have that equal give and take of, you know, feelings and emotions someday. Now this, it might be with this person, or it might be with somebody new. That is what I'm getting. Okay, so it might be this person, or it might be somebody else. If this person is worthy enough and is able to grow up, then this person will come, and, you know, you two will be able to understand each other to such an extent, you know, you both will have grown to such an extent that you'll be able to have that equal give and take of, you know, very, very well balanced emotional relationship. Otherwise somebody new will come, and with him or her you are going to achieve this no matter what. So no matter what the situation is right now, this is the, you know, card where everything, you know, comes and blends in. Okay, so whether it is this person or somebody else, you know, Six of Pentacles is a very happy card. It's a card of balance. It's a card of equal give and take, of love. Okay, so this is definitely out there for you, you know, in the outcome. So I'm very happy for you, Gemini. There is, you know, it's a very hopeful reading for you. So thank you very much for coming and visiting my channel, watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, because that is going to enable me to come up with more videos in the future. So I hope to see you again. Love you. Bye.